Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are great. Today I'm talking about how to learn English language in 2025. Basically, I am already learning in English in 2023, 2024, 2025 in term. So I'm talking about how to learn English in 2025. So today I give you a 3 points to improve your English level and where you go and where you are learning in English. So let's go about how to learn English language. So let's create own self and regularly practice. This is the first key point to improve your English. So this is the first thing. I am not suggest to talk anyone, but you can at least every day maximum 10 to 15 minutes speak yourself. You can use a mobile phone, you can record yourself, you and me also. I am every day recorded myself in my YouTube channel. So I am not understanding what I tell you, but I every day practice in English. I recorded one video every day in mobile. So this is the first thing you have to do in 2025. You can record every day at least 10 to 15 minutes at least every day. Record nothing what happened, everything you can talk to your camera, and next you can listen and observe what are your mistakes. So this is the second thing. First, you can record every day at least 10 to 15 minutes a video, and next you listening everything what you mistake, what your body language, what your experience, what your thought process. This is the second thing. And third thing, you read article online like a magazine, newspaper and news, and this is a reading. So this is a basic thing. I'm not recommended, I'm not a professional, so I recommend you how to learn in English in 2025 goal. So this is my goal in 2025. After 6 months I will improve everything. So you can write down journal like what to do in today. So everything you can write in English, your thought process in English. You can watch educational video. This is a key point. I am every day using this. I'm not a recommended very qualification person. I am not recommendation to build you can more money spent in other teacher, international teacher, because I am not anywhere I am spend my money, because this is a very important. So this is a second thing. First, you can record at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. Second thing, you can read article online at least 10 to 15 minutes. This is a 20, 50 and 30 minutes everyday practice. And third, you can observe on your video, watch your video, what your mistake, what you have mistake. So this is a brief. I'm not understanding. My pronunciation and my sentence is a very perfect, but I will try to talk you because I am learning English. So this is 3 things. First, video record. Second, write a journal, and third, watching everything like your TED Talks and so many TED Talks. I don't know what the best channel name, but this is my key point. So this is a basic of English language learning, and the key point I will tell you. So success tips to very important. So this is a 2, 3, 5. I don't know how much, so I will tell you. So 3 things you can do everything. You can use ChatGPT. Is a very important, because ChatGPT is a not your teacher is also your friend, your family, because you can everything on your ChatGPT use and improve your English. You can ask anything what to do. Everything is possible in ChatGPT. So first of all, you can use ChatGPT and use Duolingo, OpenTalk and Skill. This is an Indian app. Skill is very important to talk to any other learner partner like me. So this is a second thing. This is a tips of learning English. And this video I tell you how to introduce yourself, about myself. So, hi everyone, my name is Sarfraz. I am content creator. I am 21-year-old. I am from Bihar, but currently working in Tamil Nadu. This is a brief introduction. You can mix up so many things. What your qualification, like this, what your qualification, where you are staying, what to do, and so many things you are at, but I am heading point, I am some point I am introduced you. So this is a brief video. I hope in 2025 improve my fluency in English, because this is part of learning. And best of luck, you can learn in English, and so many things in my head, but I don't try to any other thing, because this is a very important, is a globally language in English. So you can learn in English, and see you next time, and then take care and then keep learning. Bye.